Hello, my lovely sweat hearts. Welcome to the tutorial for Fight Song by Rachel Platten. This is a stretch, cool-down song, and it's very near and dear to my heart. If you've danced with me for the last several years, this song has come into my life and other people's lives when we need it. Heartbreak and devastation and sometimes craziness around you. And I hear the song all the time, and I always think of my sweat hearts and that community. And so let's get started. Take a deep breath, inhale, up. Exhale out. Again, inhale up. Exhale out. We're going to push around the back. As always, find that nice curve here. As the knees are over the toes, and we stretch the arms up. Pull the shoulders back just a little bit, stretching the chest and the shoulders, and then release the arms down. Then we go side, side, double side, 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 double side. This is the build up before the chorus starts. Double side, 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 double side. Arms are up and pull it down. Reach up for something good and pull it down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull down, pop, pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Into the chorus. Let's see that part after our stretch. We stretch, inhale, shoulder, elbows, arms, and we push around the back, pull the shoulders through, and open. We go. 1, 2, reach it up, pull down, and reach it up. 1, 2, reach it up. 1, 2, reach it up. Now the chorus. The arms are going to go out, out, swing, around. In, out, swing, around. So they go out, in, and they go out in a big circle and rebound to go in, out. They circle inward and rebound to go out. The legs again are single, single, double, but we're going to bend the knee, bend the knee, bend the knee, triple, pop, pop, pop. Now, there's different verses of this that we go as it progresses. You can start here, pop, pop, pop. You can get warmed up. You can start pulling the legs, and by the end, if you're feeling for it, you can really pull those legs. I'll show 3 versions facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and bigger this time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we punch. 6 punches. Pa, 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 pa. Fist, fist, and we get a little, like a boxer right there. Sniff there. So, 6 punches after the 6 time back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fist, fist, and we're ready. We're still here. Next section, we go into the stretches. We go over to the right side. Over that right foot, we turn right lunge. Right arm reaches up, look up to the fingers, long back leg, and down, walk it over. Left lunge, left arm up, look up to the fingers, up to the sky, long back leg, and front both knees. Drop that left shoulder, stretch out to the music, switch to the right. Then we're going to point the toes forward towards the mirror, stretch legs, and do a nice just forward fold. If this hurts your hamstring, you can keep a little bit bent, and you can keep a little bit turned out as well. But to get a really good stretch, when you bring your toes forward, you're going to feel a nice stretch in the hamstrings. Release the head, and then we roll up, we walk in, and we get ready for our chorus again, which is Fight Song. Here's that chorus. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, you choose the level of endurance here. Ta, pa, 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 ta, ta. We have 1 more. Arms go out, in, circle, out, around, in, out, circle, in, around. Punch for 6. Ta, 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 ta. Put up those dukes and give a little sniff there. Good. Then arms come together. We stretch up to the ceiling, palms out, take it to the side, take it to the other side, and release. Time to stretch those quads. Grab that right foot. Left arm comes up, opens a second, bring it down. This time we have extra music, so we bring it out, and we pull it in, and we plie both knees, switch sides. Grab that left foot, right arm comes up, open side, down again, extra music, so we bring it forward, pull it in, and we're going to bring a fist, of power up into the air, and we're gonna throw some love out into the world. And I like to just take a moment for myself to throw it, 3, and bigger, throw it with a stomp, throw it, and fight song one more time, chorus, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 is the last time through, 2 more seconds, both way, last one, right, left, you're strong, and hold, punch, punch for 6, fist, fist, and we gather up, and we take a bow, and you've made it to the end of warm-up, the end of class, and you've taken that song with you into your day. Let's dance it.